Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video, I'm at the 99-cent only store to see what is new, what has hit. So come with me, and if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back, and I will have a very special surprise hidden somewhere in this video. So let's get started. All right, so let's check these out. These are definitely brand new, giving me high-end vibes, and they do light up. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, though. Let's see if I can light this one up. You can't really see it, but they do light up. And I'm so excited that these are back. These flew off the shelf. These are really cool. They are double-sided, so they have a couple in stock, but make sure you stock up on things because they are going so quick. I am not kidding you guys. Things are selling out so fast. Oh, and the little Buffalo Planet House is back. Let's see. Okay, I am seeing a couple new items. I'm trying to scope them out, and these are back as well. These actually sold out like immediately. And then they have these for the kitties. I think I'm going to grab one for little Maggie. And let's see what else they have that's new or that's restocked. Okay, these look new. These little banners. Go ahead and get it out. Let's see. Oh, these are nice. This is something, I feel like these would be something you would find at Target's dollar spot, and they are 99 cents. Definitely a good deal. I'm going to grab that one, and we'll look at this one as well. Really nice. I like both of them. Yeah, they both look really nice. Let's see if there's any other patterns. Nope, I think those are it, so I'm going to grab those two. Really nice. And check these out. These are also brand new. Little trees with the little wire. I believe those are 99 cents. Yep, I don't see any other. And these are part of the vintage collection. And look at these little hats. I'm not really sure what you would use these for. These are $1.99. I'm guessing for like a little lantern. And they do have the black hat as well. Pretty cool. Let's continue on and see what else we can find. Okay, these are also brand new, the little trees. Oh, how adorable those are, little tiny little trees. And yes, they are 99 cents. How adorable, and there's tons of them in stock. I have a feeling this is going to go quick. And look at these. These are Santa's Gucci boots, the fancy boots. Those are really nice actually for $2.99 and not a bad deal. And these are back from last year, although I think the price went up. I want to say last year they were $5.99, and this year they're $7.99. So some of these items are back with the higher price point. Yeah, but yeah, it's still really nice. I'm not crazy about the price though. And look at these Haba Jolly. Oh, those are with a gingerbread man. How adorable. Gingerbread definitely seems to be a big hot item this year. And I'm so excited that these are back. Again, these were pretty much sold out within the first 2 days of being out the first time. So I'm glad that they got a couple of them back in. And you can tell how big they are in comparison to my hand. So yeah, the only front thing is that the only decorated part is the front. And look at these little burlap bags. How adorable. They look so fancy dressed up in their little burlap suits. Too adorable. And they are 99 cents. And look at these fancy schmancy trees. And look at these little birdies. Oh, these are brand new. Oh, these are beautiful little peacocks. Look at the detail on those. And these are part of the kind of upscale Christmas collection. And these are 99 cents. And these as well. Oh, that's cute. Very kind of classic Christmas. Very cute. I love these. Oh, there's so many beautiful ornaments. It's so hard to pick which ones I like best. And the gnomes are back. I'm so excited. Well, not these. These are not back. These are actually finally hitting my store. And I'm really excited because there is some items that are not going to be in every single store. This is part of the vintage collection. Oh, look at the little snowman. That is so adorable. Oh, you guys, these are so cute. Oh, so exciting. And look, these are brand new as well. These are giant trees for $1.99. These are adorable. Okay, let's look at over here. Look at these little hats. Little Oh, and yeah, part of the vintage collection for 99 cents. And the little glove mitts and the booties. Oh, so cute. Oh, and the gift tags. Okay, with the fancy. Okay, these are nice for 99 cents. And of course, you're going to have your necklaces. Let's keep looking. I think I saw those last week. And you have a little ho, ho, ho sign. Very cute. Oh, and look at those little candy canes. Oh, so adorable. The 99 keeps rolling stuff out, and I'm so amazed. Okay, here's more of the little bottle brush trees for $1.99. And look how big these are. Bigger than my hand. Oh, and look at these. The giant snowman and Santa and little reindeer. How cute. You can see how big they are in comparison to everything else on the shelf. They literally tower over, and they are $3.99. Not bad. Pretty cute. Very tall. And let's see what else. Oh, no way. Yes, this is what I was looking for. I wasn't sure if these were going to hit my store, because corporate did tell me that some of the items are going to be limited to certain stores. So I'm glad that these actually are my location, and I'm going to be grabbing a couple of these for myself as well as for some friend mail. So really exciting. All right, let's keep looking and see what else we can find. Oh, and they have the little ones as well. These are 99 cents, and they have the sparkly hats. Too cute, and they have them in green as well. I'm going to grab a couple of each again for myself as well as for some friend mail. All right, let's keep looking. Oh, it's like a little treasure hunt because it keeps sprinkling all the new stuff in between. Like, look at these. Oh, these are beautiful. Love that yellow tree. And look at that bluish one. Ooh, orange. Kind of an orangey color. Oh, and look at this one. It's kind of like a light hot pink. Very nice. All right, let's keep looking. Oh, yes, this is also part of that of the gnome collection. These, I wasn't sure if they were going to come to my location too. So exciting. These are the little mushroom ornaments in the pink and in red. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. You have no idea. These are definitely going to go fast because, again, not every store will have these. So keep your eyes peeled. If you see them, grab them. Again, these were part of the collection that I wasn't sure that were going to be hitting my stores. So best believe I'm going to be snatching a couple of these up. I'm so excited. Gnomes are definitely my favorite this year. And look at these with the little succulents. I think those are not real, but they are part of the vintage Santa collection. I'm so excited. Definitely feel like I hit the jackpot today here at the 99. And more little trees and more gnomies. Gnomies everywhere. Oh, these are cute little classics. And yay, again, part of the collection that I was waiting for. These are pretty tall and they're kind of heavy. They're $1.99. So I'm definitely snatching up a couple of these as well. I'm so excited. The 99 is knocking it out of the park this year with all the Christmas collections. I am just so amazed and so thankful to be able to shop at a store like this. And look at these with the little Santa. These kind of remind me of the stuff they have at Target's Dollar Spot. And look at these gorgeous little jars. More of the farm fresh trees. And these are new, the little, flamingo. I thought it was for Christmas. It was leftover summer. And they do have the little tumblers. Look at this one with the little classic cars. Very nice, very nice. And of course, you got to have your cake stands. Pretty cool. There's more. I'm just trying to figure out. Oh, there we go. And they have the trays down here as well. Lots to choose from. Very nice. So keep your eyes peeled at your local store. And they restocked these. These were sold out last week, and they were able to get a couple more. The manager did say that she's not sure if they're going to have any more after this. So she said, if you want them, you better grab them while you can. And look at this. This is the Happy Holidays decorative lamp. This is for the outdoors, and it does include everything that you see in the picture. So not a bad price for $19.99. And let's check out some other paper goods. I am going to be grabbing a couple of these as well because I am planning on hosting Christmas in my home.
So definitely gonna need a couple of these. And I love these little classic Santas. And tis the season. Oh, that's cute. Although I'm not really sure what you can put in there because of the shape of the and look at those. Oh, Merry Christmas. Oh, so cute. And more paper goods. Tons actually. But again, this is definitely stuff that you're going to want to grab now because once you think about it later on, they're going to be completely sold out. I like this one. This is probably going to be my look or my theme. All right, let's keep looking and more trays. I think to see these last week. The classic red truck, beautiful, pretty good size actually for 99 cents. And this one, Season's Greetings. Again, you can use this as a display or probably just put like cookies on it. And let's look. Merry Christmas. Okay. So last week's winner did not claim their prize, which means that to be fair to you guys, I am going to open it up again for this upcoming week. So you will have until November 6th to enter the giveaway. Again, this is the mystery box for items from the 99 Cent Only store for Christmas. So the rules are really simple. As always, you must be 18 years or over and residing within the United States. 1, you must be subscribed. 2, like this video and hit the bell notification. And 3, comment Christmas box fun, and that will let me know you want to be entered into this giveaway. Again, this is open until next Saturday, and I will be announcing the winner next Sunday. So good luck to every single one of you, and let's continue on with the walkthrough. Oh, and check out these gorgeous wine racks. Wow, these are fancy for $9.99, just in time for the holidays. Although I'm not crazy about the price, though. And look at some new signage for the home. Bender rocked that. Really nice. And these are $2.99. And in Esta Cocina Bailamos. In this kitchen, we dance. Oh, cool. For $2.99. And look at these. Oh, this one says I don't work here. I am a consultant. Work for it more than you hope for it. Oh, that's awesome. Very motivational and local objective. Okay, I'm not going to read every single one, but look at these. How beautiful. Nice way to kind of add a little decorative touch to your home on a budget. Really nice. And check these out. This is the makeup lights for your beauty room. You do get 2 in here for the price of $9.99. Very nice. I think that would make your beauty section look very fancy. And they have gaming headphones for $12.99. This is definitely a good deal because I know these tend to be kind of pricey elsewhere. So snatch them up. Good for Christmas gift ideas. I know Christmas is pretty much already around the corner, which is technically next month. And look at that one. Oops. Look at this one's for $9.99 and not a bad deal. All right, let's keep looking and see what other items we can find. Ooh, iHome. Okay, this is a good brand for $7.99. This is kind of like a little, I don't know if to call it like a tower or like a box, but it's basically like a little box to charge all of your electronics. Not bad for $7.99. And again, it's a name brand, so good deal for a gift. All right, continuing on in the electronics section, they have these little controller 2-packs. And they also have this one for $7.99 for your Switch. And all our kids are still big fans of the Switch, so a good deal to a little accessory for Christmas. And check these out, little scrunchies and the little Star Night box. Really nice for $4.99. And let's look at these. These are little sheet scrubs, or sweet scrubs rather. Looks like a little ice cream. And let's keep looking. Chamoyan. Okay, I think I'm not going to go into too much detail with the makeup just because a lot of it is still the same. Oh, this one is new. Never mind. This is Lala. And more of the little scrunchies. And let's keep looking and see if there's anything else. Ooh, look at this. This is a $10 gift box for $5.99. Okay, so you get 2 shampoos and a conditioner. And look at these, the makeup for Day of the Dead. I know if you're watching this past Monday, it's probably over. It's obviously over, but it's still good to have. Not a bad deal. Let's see, for $1.99, you get all these different kinds. You do get the makeup set for $2.99. And look, they have more of the dry shampoo over here for $5.99. And this one does come with 3 as well. So not a bad price. Look at these. Oh, I'm like, are they? I think they're plastic. Yep, they're plastic. I'm like shaking it. But yeah, check them out for 99 cents. And of course, they still have the little holiday hand soap. So snatch these up. You know, they could just be decorative, or if you want to actually use them, they have tons of them. I don't think they've actually moved since last week. But anyway, just still want to show you guys everything that is here. Oh, look, you guys, if you are vegan or vegetarian like myself, they have the porkless bites. I'm not sure if they're $2.99, but I don't know. But, oh, no, they're $1.99. Okay, very nice. Really good deal. And they also have the meatless meatballs. So if you want to do meatless Monday, snatch them up while you can, because this is definitely a good price. And they have the Minute Maid juice for $1.99. So not a bad deal. As far as food, it has been a little slim picking, so not much new to show you guys, but definitely want to show you anything that is technically new. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. And as always, don't forget to do the 99.